topic that we are going to cover is what is digital marketing. So when we talk about digital marketing, the very definition is fairly simple and straightforward. It says that the use of electronic medium or digital media, or in simple words, the use of internet to market your products for business is called as digital marketing. And that's fairly true. I mean, when you talk about digital marketing, it is nothing but use of your digital media, be it your different social media handles, right? Different social media platforms, be it using some websites, some portals where you can put forth your content or stuff to market particular products. All these fall under your digital marketing domain. Okay, so in simple words, that is what digital marketing is. It is nothing but the use of electronic media or digital media or the internet, in simple words, to market a particular product. Okay, what are the important things that one need to know when they are actually planning to go ahead and implement digital marketing? Well, it is the ability to understand your customers as to what are the things that those customers would be wanting when you market a particular product. And the other one is to try to reach out to them online. Let me give you an example. Okay, let's assume that you are an artist. You create paintings. Okay, so you are planning to sell your paintings, and for that you need to market them. Now, given the fact, or let's assume that your budget constraints are lesser, okay, and you want to still ensure that you reach out to masses. Okay, so the first thing that you need to figure out is, what is your targeted audience? What kind of audience are you trying to target, right? So when you say you're selling paintings, right, it could mostly be people who are in the age of 25 to 45 or 50, even more. But I have a reasoning behind this. Might not be completely true, but you'll find the major sample size of audience in this age group. The reason for that is, when you talk about buying painting, you're looking at people who are mostly in that age of their life where they can buy stuff, right? And even people who've just gotten married, or maybe people who have set their homes in place and they're looking to decorate it, they would also want to buy. Again, the age group of mostly 25 to 40, 45, right? You cannot expect smaller kids to go ahead and buy these paintings, right? But this is just a hypothesis. Again, there could be outliers, there could be exceptions. I'm just giving you an example. So it is very important to understand what kind of audience are you trying to target. The other points that you need to consider is, when you are targeting this audience, you also consider quite a few other factors, not just the age, like what the location could be, right? So let's assume that you want to sell your products in a particular region, because that could be certain limitation that you have. You might not have a reach to reach wide audience. In that case, you could be marketing it for a particular city, right? To give you an example, let's assume that you're based in New York. So it would be easier for you to sell your products in New York if you are an early starter, right? So again, it depends upon what kind of product are you trying to sell, who are you trying to sell it to, who are you trying to market it to, right? So that is why when you do digital marketing, an important aspect is you understand your customers, understand their need, and accordingly you come to the next point. You strategize certain things so you can reach out to these people online. Now, when you're talking about digital marketing, you're using digital media to reach out to these people. As we move further into discussions, I would be elaborating on these pointers in quite a lot of detail. So some of these pointers would make a lot more sense to you people. Okay, but for now, I hope the basic definition and the idea is clear to you people. When you talk about digital marketing, it is a way to market a particular product or even an idea to people by using digital media or online media, right? So that is what digital marketing is. As we move further, we'll be talking about quite a few other things that concern digital marketing. So stay tuned. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other pointers, right? So again, when you talk about digital marketing, I mean, there could be quite a few of you who might wonder, right? As in, what are the numbers that support the popularity of digital marketing these days, right? So let me give you certain numbers. Okay, there are 2 million likes on Facebook. I'll give you the duration as we move further. Okay, 2 million likes on Facebook. Okay, there are 600 websites launched in the same time. There are about 20 million emails that go out, and around 2 lakh number of sales happening. And guys, all of these things are happening parallelly across the globe in just a minute. Yes, in a minute, you see around 1.8 to 2 million likes on Facebook. These many people like certain stuff on Facebook. There are like around 600 websites that are in place or put in place in a minute around the globe. Around 20 million emails being sent to people across the globe, and around 2 lakhs sale happening in a minute. This could even be more, but this is just a statistic that people have put forth. Okay, and the numbers actually increasing with time, and that is why we see digital marketing being used more. Why? Because all these numbers that we've seen are through digital media, digital platforms. That is something tells you how many people are online these days. We'll talk about that at a stretch as we move further. But this is what the emphasis is of digital marketing, and that is why digital marketing is heading in a direction that it should be. So this was about what is digital marketing and some of the numbers.